It's Thanksgiving week, and we're heading up to Mt Cammerer Fire Tower today. Should be about 11-mile round trip hike. But yeah, pretty chilly. It's probably 35 degrees, and but yeah, it should be pretty nice. There are some clouds, but they look to be higher clouds. So we're heading up the Low Gap Trail. It's about 2.9 miles up to the Appalachian Trail, and then from there another about 2.5 miles to the tower. All right, we all shed some layers because climbing is tough business. But yeah, lots of climbing. It's a very steady climb, but we've been climbing for probably 2 miles, and we're starting to get some pretty good height and elevation. Pretty cool. So we're climbing to 5,000 feet or so today, and Mt Cammerer is named after an old park manager for the Smoky Mountain Park, and he was instrumental in getting the funding from Rockefeller to buy what's now the Smoky Mountain National Park. So he was instrumental in that. The tower we're going to see is apparently built by the CCC back in the 1930s, I believe. So I'm really looking forward to that. All right, climbing gets a little tougher now. Oh, yeah. Amazing. have about 15 minutes left in the hike, and so we're getting close to being done. Back to Cosby Campground, and it's I would consider this a strenuous hike because it's super steady like this. The incline is very steady. It doesn't let up, and so you're working pretty decent on the way up, and then the way down, it's just a constant. It's just enough of an incline on your knees where it's just constantly, pressure on your knees. So I would consider this a strenuous hike. I think it's worth it. I think it's got a really good view up top, just 360 degrees. This time of year it was really neat because lots of reds were in the leaf color, so it looked like things were just on fire, like the mountains were like a fiery red. So it was neat. I'm glad we did it. It was a decent amount of work for us to do this hike at 11 miles round trip, but we're almost done, and soon we'll have a car and comfortable seats to sit in and sodas.